Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram algorithm. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open your Instagram application on your phone, and you need to make sure that this feature is available in your country. So now, once you open the application, you will have to go to your profile picture right here. Then you should now click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you should scroll down till you find a section that is called What You See. Now go to suggested content. Then here you will find a specific options named Reset suggested content. But here in my case, I do not actually have it because this feature isn't available in my region or because I don't have the latest update of Instagram. So you will see an option like this. Once you click on it, Instagram will issue a warning that resetting recommendations is irreversible and may result in the display of content that doesn't typically appear in your feed. They'll also recommend unfollowing specific accounts rather than performing this step, the resetting step. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.